Come on, baby. Happy Friday, man. See what we got going on here. All right. Daily on gold. Ended with a nice bullish candle. This daily candle come down. It did come and tap this zone here. So that'll be an area to kind of watch for. To kind of maybe flip around for buys if it wants to. Yeah, again, 4 hour tapping down in there. 1 hour trying to push back up. 30 minutes. Yeah, I mean, this looks pretty good. Got about 5 minutes. Looks pretty good. Bounced off there nicely, trying to create a support. Yo, good morning, Sia. How we doing today, man? Let me hit record. That's what it is. Hold up. Full. It's tough to fit it all in there. I wake up too early? Nah. No way, man. Yeah, 6:55. Come on. Money's not gonna make itself. Come on. All right, hold on. I'm trying to get this camera sorted out. Yeah, see it? It just changes. Well, let's see. Yeah, it changes. Worry about that some other time. Worry about it some other time. Yo, good morning, Ohio. Let's go check out NQ. This is not NQ. Why does it always do that? It always goes like natural gas or something. Alright, so last daily candle pushed up, no bottom wick, and still finished up here in the other zone here. Tapped into it. It's moving down. 4 hour zone. Still moving down. 1 hour. 30. Just never know on a Friday, man. You never know on a Friday. Just got done with basketball. Let's go. Four hour on Nasdaq. So this is the 4 hour lows on Nasdaq here. So if it wants to keep pushing down, if we get a 30-minute closure, maybe, you know, leave a wick, make a top wick, maybe go down today a little bit. I don't know. Daily still doesn't have much of a top wick. Not much. So, I mean, this could be, and this was 2 daily candles in a row. Kind of flattened out. Ran up. You know, I could see this doing either. The thing is, you can't really predict it on NQ here. Not as good. I mean, you can't anyways, but it's a little bit harder on NQ just because this is the daily chart. Like, it's just chop. Bunch of chops. So you'd have to see some sort of closure. Like above on the daily or something. Yeah, like above that zone. Or at least a 4-hour closure above there. But kind of looks like it wants to come down. At the moment anyways. Yeah, it's not as good. Yeah. Can't take that. Nothing. Can maybe check this out though. As long as it doesn't run. Yeah, that would be the 4-hour lows down there as well. Crazy. Not really moving. We don't really have a lot of news either. News today is nothing, so nothing. Need a little taller wick there. A little bit taller wick. Not gonna get it. That's just not a big enough wick. Not a big enough wick for me. Yeah, nothing. 15-minute? On what? Gold? Nasdaq? Nas 100? Oh, you must be on the other charts. Yeah, that's okay. I didn't need a closure below. I mean, at least on my chart, it would have anyways. On my chart, it closed below for sure. Yeah, I mean, I would have taken this if there was a little bigger wick. What do you mean it didn't? Where are you talking about here? Didn't close below what?
Jack it up.
Yeah, close below what I was looking for, but that's not why I wanted to take it anyways. I was going to take it regardless whether it closed below. I just needed a steeper wick. Just too small of a wick. Would have been nice. Especially with the 4 hour breaking it. But it was a new 1 hour candle and it didn't really have any sort of top wick. Nothing. Oh man, it might rain today. I don't know how much golf we'll get in. Might rain. Hoping we can still get around in. We'll see. Before they kick us off the course. England. Was England playing yesterday? France won. Did England play? I think they play tomorrow. Yeah, France won. For sure. You had me thinking, I was like, did I miss England play? Yeah, France won. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. France is just so fast, man. They're so talented, so fast. Super fast. All right, so Goldie's flirting with the 4 hour lows down there, kind of daily 4 hour. If it went back below, but it could, like I said, this could be an area that it creates support. Be curious to see what this 15-minute candle does. Yeah, it would have been a lovely trade on NQ. We just didn't get the wick that I wanted. Wanted a little steeper wick. Not really interested in this onion either. It's kind of like almost like a doji. Yeah, it's all wick, no candle. Exactly. Exactly. Now you're getting it. Yeah, like this onion here, you would have been in it for a while, but would have played out. Aim for like down here. Would have worked, but you'd have been in it for a little bit. Now it's trying to make a double bottom here. I guess technically that is maybe. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking the same thing, Sia. Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing. France looks good though, man. Don't get me wrong, I want Messi to win because I like Messi. But I mean, it would be cool to see like maybe Norway win, see Holland win, or I don't know. I just don't want France to win for some reason. But they're like insane. But yeah, I'm kind of thinking it's going to be Argentina and France as well. However, if Spain wins against Belgium today, France versus Spain, I believe, is what it would be. It might be, yeah. Yeah, I don't see England making it. I just don't know if they have it to beat. Like, would it be them playing Argentina? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm starting to think France, Argentina as well. Spain could beat France, but we'll see. Just because they've beat them before, like recently, I think. We'll see, man. That's the thing. Anything can happen. Yeah, and Messi's technically in second in the Golden Boot race just because Mbappe's got more assists. They got the same amount of goals, but he has a little bit more assists or something. So that'll be interesting too. Because last time I think Mbappe won the Golden Boot, but Messi won the World Cup. Holy, where'd this volume come from? Wait a second. There's some news? Yo, we got news coming in or what? Where's this coming from? Crump, tweet something. Grumpy, did you tweet something? Don't see anything, bro. Yeah, everything moving up. Dang. What happened? Where'd that come from, bro? Interesting. That 4 hour on Goldie. Dude, it must have been you tweeting. Where'd that come from? Jeez. Something happened. Guess we're not privy to that information. Us peasants. Oh, man. All right. Hopefully my 3K payout comes today. That would be nice. That would be lovely here today. On a Friday. Looks like everything was approved. The funds just haven't been sent yet. So, usually it gets done the next day. So, we'll see. We'll see, man. Yeah, France just looks good, man. Also, Mbappe's goal was pretty good. That was a great shot, man. He had like top spin on it. That's the one. Did you text me when it happened, though? I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure it was 0-0 when you texted me that. Until halftime. I was like, wait a second. He actually is in the future. Yeah, I don't know. All right. Let's review this, huh? Let's review it. Not a bad run here on the XFA. You know, minus the loss, like the bigger loss that we had there. You know, we pretty much, yeah, started in June 30th. We've had all green days except that one day. So we got our 3K payout off of this. So we have $3,200 left to try to build up, get 5 more green days. So that's what we're gonna try to do. Keep it rolling, man. On the combines, same kind of thing. Just a big loss day. But other than that, greens. Greens. We're moving too. We got 7,500 on 3 combines. This is the longest I've ever had a combine, I'm pretty sure. Just working through it slowly. Just working through it slowly, man. We just needed to take a step back after having having a rough month last month. I was just super emotional last month. Just taking stupid trade. Actually, like, I would have been green if I would just stop, you know, like, but it's like I couldn't get out of my own way last month. So good to see it bounce back. Yeah, I normally do too. See, I normally risk heavier. Because I usually either pass a combine in like 2 to 4 days, or I blow it. And then I start again. But yeah, I lost some accounts last month for sure. Yeah, I took a max payout. I took 25K in May. And then after that payout, I just like couldn't trade anymore, it seemed like. After I took that 25K, I just was lost, man. Not that I like wasn't taking good trades. It's just like the other stuff, the emotional side of things, like the self-control just went out the window for some reason. Like, it was just a bad month for me, man, last month. For sure. So we're calming down. We're starting slower. We're just building them better anyways. I may not get the biggest payouts that I got, you know, before, but I'm working a little slower. I mean, we just got a 3K payout. If I had other accounts, you know, that would have been a 15K payout. So that wouldn't have been bad. It's just my brain always wants the 25K payout. It's like it's never enough, you know? So that's something I have to deal with. Like, in my mind at the time, it's like, well, what's the point? I'm not at the max yet. And it's like, that's not the point, man. You know? That's not the point. The point is you have gotten it to X amount of dollars and you can take it out, and that's a good thing. But my brain sometimes doesn't see that. It's like, well, this is a failure if you're not at this level. It's like, that's just not true. That ain't true, man. All right, we got about 7 minutes for a 30-minute closure. Like I said, I don't know where that volume came from, but is there news or something? Man, I saw a video of a guy like almost getting attacked by a bear. Can you imagine? What'd you do if a bear came at you, bro? I mean, I would wrestle it to the ground and submit it, but I don't know about anybody else. You know, easy claps. Ohio's getting mauled for sure. Five minutes. All right, we need what, $1,400 and like $50 past the combines. But one thing I want to be aware of today is like, I do not like losing a lot on Fridays. So, because I like to go into the weekend with a better mental state. Like in the past, I've blown a lot of combines on Fridays and stuff, and it just like makes me angry. Because it's like, it's Friday, man. Just enjoy the weekend. So we'll see what we do here today. We don't need to take anything crazy. But I also don't want to be fearful of trading on Fridays just because I'm scared. You know? I ain't scared. I'm just trying to be aware of the mistakes I've made in the past. So now the 4-hour high is way up there. We got on gold. Holy. I didn't even draw the bleeder candle yet. I didn't even draw it. This is interesting. Like I said, that is the 4-hour low down there. We'll see. Give me a second. All right. Got 1 minute for a 30-minute closure here. Looks kind of crazy on gold. Kind of crazy. All right, we did get a closure. I don't like the 1 hour no bottom wick, though. I might be more interested in like a sell if this runs up, like without a bottom wick. Possibly. Yeah, I just don't like the buy because of the wick, bottom wick. Check out NQ. Ooh, it didn't really close above though. Closed right at it. Four hour moving up, 1 hour moving up. I don't know, I still like that, honestly. Not bad. It just didn't close above. No closure. I'll be back. Goldie coming down. A little bit. Little bit. And Q doing the same thing, I think. Coming for those 4-hour lows. Wow. Look at the 1 hour. Crazy. All right, we wait.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a roll. Savannah. Gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a roll. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be.
And Q coming back up. Made a steep bottom wick on the 15-minute. And it's coming back up. Coming back up, man.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Come on, baby. Yeah, I don't know. It looks pretty dark out, man, for golf. We'll see. We'll see. Light rain. Oh. I don't know, man. See if they let us. Bummer, it wasn't supposed to rain, man. It all changed. You hate to see it. You actually really hate to see it. Bummer. All right, 2 minutes for a 15-minute closure. See what it's looking like on gold. Coming down still. All right, 1 minute here. Nothing for me, though. Nothing. So it's hanging around the 4-hour lows. That'd be the only reason I'd be interested on the break of those 4-hour lows, but yeah. I think I'd have to see something different. Like a 30-minute or a 1-hour closure below or something. For now, we wait. Yeah, even like a closure below here, like on the 30, still don't know, because you're in this zone here, like a pretty good zone. So I don't know, it just depends. That's something we're interested in or not. I just don't like how it could probably break this, come into this maybe, and then just turn right back around. Not as clean as I would like. It looks clean if you only look at this, you know, like if you just cut out all the other stuff. But I find that this stuff matters. But just depends on the volume and the higher time frames. So look at that 15-minute.
There's one downside about living in the center of the UK. It's the highest rate of radiation on this tiny, pitiful rock. And the fact they never tell you that when your hair starts to fall out, radiation poisoning, it's a sleep with it. They never tell you that in the manual.
What time's that game today? Spain, Belgium, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. I'm gonna miss that, man. I'm gonna miss it. Oh, tomorrow I think the Argentina game is at 8 o'clock. I think that's about the same time McGregor's going to be fighting. Yeah, July 11th. Yup. We'll have to switch back and forth maybe on that one. We'll have to switch back and forth. Whoa. Yeah, that 15-minute on gold just coming straight up. Straight up. See what the 30-minute does here in like 7 minutes. Man, I love waiting. Love it. It's the best part. I'm about to play some chess. I still haven't figured it out yet. Everyone I play against in this game is just the best. Literally the best. Oh my gosh. Hold up. Hold up. Do it. Yeah, get out of here, nerd. Oh, can't do that. Oh, he's gonna steal it. He could have, bro. He could have taken it. He didn't see it. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I saw that coming. That's all good. He's gonna take my queen. Fine. That's fine. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna do that anyways. It's chalked. It's actually chalked. Oh, crap. I'm toast. I'm toast, brother. What do I do? Yo, I'm about to stalemate him. I'm about to stalemate him. No. Get me out of here. What's my rank? Oh, I don't know, bro. I only play on here. every once in a while. I don't even know how to play chess. I'm pretty sure everyone's better than me. I'm almost positive. Almost positive. I'll be right back. We got 2.5 minutes here. All right, 1 minute for a 1 hour, 30-minute closure here. Looks kind of crazy on the 1 hour. Still hasn't been able to really push down there. Hasn't been pushing. All right, what do we got here? Yo, what up, Danny? What's good, man? Appreciate you being in here. What's up, bro? Happy Friday. Man, if it wasn't for this, I mean, that might not matter anyways, but might still go down. 4 hour lows down here. I like it on the 1 hour, but not the 30-minute. But if you get a steep enough wick here, maybe. Maybe. Goldie coming back up right now. Oh, I appreciate that, bro. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, I just started the channel so I could be accountable to staying, you know, on the plan, man. So I can stick to the plan better. I just want to be a better trader. If it helps others, then that's great. Daily could have just been making a bottom wick on Nas. possible. And I don't know if we're going to be golfing today. Might have to call before we leave. Yeah, I don't know if this no wick is going to matter, honestly. Maybe. I mean, you will have this. But there it goes. Thought about going in for limit sells here, but I don't know, without that wick. I liked it on the 1 hour because it kind of tapped into that 1 hour. Top of the candle. But yeah, I don't know. 30-minute no bottom wick whatsoever. Check out gold. It's all just kind of trolling around. Still got the 4-hour lows down here. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I just need something better here to kind of form an opinion on. I'm kind of waiting until I see something a little bit more familiar. Right now, I got no idea where this thing's going. I mean, it looks like it's going to go down, but it's not breaking. Like, it didn't even break those lows. That never came down and broke those. I don't know. It's not making deeper wicks really anymore. I need to see something a little bit better. $8.06 here. So we'll be coming into the volume. 8:15, 8:30 coming up. Nothing for me here just yet, though. NQ probably coming back up. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you never got that closure above. It's just like flatlined right there. That's kind of crazy, actually. Flatlined right there. Wow. I can't be yawning, bro. I can't be yawning. Goldie coming back up. All right. Somebody do something to gold, man. Gotta do something. Check out NQ. Still wanting to come down. 2 minutes, 15-minute closure here. Not better to wait for market open? Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's why I haven't taken some of the trades like on the previous streams at 8:15. And I'm not looking at really anything now. I'm just looking. But yeah, like I remember a few streams back, there was one I didn't take around like 8:15 because I didn't want to be stuck in the trade. Didn't want to be stuck in the trade at 8:30 because it just kind of flopped around. And then I think lost maybe. So yeah, I don't love getting in like right before 8:30, but sometimes if I'm feeling that the setup's right, then I don't mind. But yeah, I don't want to be like chopping around in something when 8:30 happens. Could work out in your favor, but could not. Never know. I remember when I first started trading, I would like gamble at 8:30 pretty much. I'm just like, whoa, this volume's crazy. Let me just put buys. Instant blew my account. Instantly. Like, all right, well, you're in a funk today. Need to snap out of it. All right, let's do it. Let's do it right now. 1, 2, 3. Take a deep breath. There it is. I've been yawning a lot this morning. I've been yawning. Okay, so we got a new 15-minute candle. See what that looks like. See what it looks like. It could. Yeah, it definitely could. Definitely nothing I want to be a part of at the moment. Nothing. It's chop. Chop. It's also Friday, so I need to see something better on a Friday. We got this, Ohio. We got this. Last call-ins. Gonna lock out of the account. See you Monday. Let's go. See ya. Love that, bro. I think that's a great decision. We'll catch you Monday, brother. Appreciate you. Enjoy your weekend, man. the CEO gonna be home. So we're supposed to go golfing here at like 10:30, and we gotta drive an hour. But it's gonna be like raining and stuff, and maybe some storms. So I don't know. We might have to call ahead of time. Yeah, I don't know what their policy is on all that. I don't know how all that works. Like, we don't mind golfing in the rain, like whatever. But kind of chopping. Chopping around. Wait, why did that get reset? The winds. I set that before. Weird. My stuff is packed up. What happened here? I don't know what happened. $8:20. 10 minutes till 8:30. I'll be right back. All right, we got 8:30 in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Still didn't break the 4-hour lows, by the way. Not yet. Nothing yet. Will it break it before 8:30? I swear, sometimes it does the move like before 8:30. Sometimes. Will NQ close above? Will it? Will it? Possible. Yeah, with the 4-hour highs sitting up here. See what happens here. See, we got a couple minutes. Couple minutes. That's interesting if it closes like below this. Honestly. Kind of like a celery. Like a 30-minute celery. Honestly. That's interesting. Be an interesting closure, man. Might be something I'm interested in. Not gonna lie. See, gold already moved. Broke the lows pre 8:30. I could see Goldie trolling here and like closing like this at 8:30, and then it just skyrockets back up. I could see that. I could definitely see that, but never know. Friday. Who knows what's gonna happen on a Friday, man? I sure don't. Could get crazy, man. There it goes. There it goes, man. I mean, that's not bad. I kind of want to see it like break a little bit to low first. Goldie's wild. Exactly. That's exactly right. Goldie is wild. Yeah, I mean, you definitely got a closure below, that's for sure. I kind of want to see it like go down, maybe re-break this low a little bit, then come back up. And then on the re-break, maybe. Or we could take a shot on some limit sells. Too late. Not a lot of risks I'm willing to take right now on a Friday. Doesn't look bad though. Doesn't look bad. NQ's gone. NQ is gonzo. Just never got a closure anywhere, man. Never got a closure for anything. Nothing you could really take. I mean, if this would have closed like below or something, I would have been interested in like a sell, but... Or if this closed above. That would have been nice too. Didn't get it. I mean, it's not bad. It's just, I don't know. Not really something I think I want to take, honestly. If I do, it'll have to be, I don't know, we'll have to wait maybe for the 15-minute. But that bird was huge. I saw flying out the window. Holy cow. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Had to get my sandwich. My wife got me.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Mmm.
Lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
And Q is gone. Still here? Let's go. See ya. You're locked out for the day, just chilling.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Watch NQ go like all the way back down again.
Paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make
Sorry guys, don't mind me. Just eating my breakfast sandwich. Gotta get some food in me so I can take my all my vitamins. Got getting Q here. Dang. How far it pushed up. Pushed up so far. Holy, look at it. All right, I think we're still good to golf.
If I say goodbye, then make me a liar, make me a liar. My heart's heating up, this love is on fire, love is on fire, on fire.
NQ is dangerous. Dangerous. Crazy. Going back up now? Holy. What'd I tell you? Like, I got a feeling gold wants to troll us and go back up. Oh, break out and go back in. Yeah, because you still have this. Still got all these wicks. This zone. Holy. There it goes, man. I've got about a minute for like a 15-minute.
I'll never forget this day.
See what happens here. Holy 15-minute. Yeah, if the red, this bleeder candle would have closed a little bit higher up. Too far. Too far, man. almost above that anyways. I think I'm going to call it, man. I think I'm going to call it and enjoy the Friday. All right. Appreciate you guys, man. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. All right. We're going to try to golf and hopefully it doesn't rain too bad on us. So, all right. I appreciate you guys, man. We'll catch you Monday. All right. Peace.